Hello,
Hello,
guys! Today we're gonna play hide and seek but in RL in real life. Excited. Alright. And today, guys, I am the seeker and he's the hider. Alright, let's start. I'll count to about 50. Okay, go hide now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, you're not. Here comes. Alright, where should be broad at? Alright, those here. No, listen, not bro. Where's bro at? Literally, guys, where's bro at? Right over here. Not, oh. Alright, I found you! Now it's my turn! You're the seeker now.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. No, better in upstairs.
Yo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7. Oh, yeah, no. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Ready or not, here I come. Okay. What was that? Why are you there? Okay.
So easy, bro.
Yeah, that's so easy. This is so easy. Now you go first.
Now I'm going, guys. I'm gonna count to about 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 7. Alright. Alright. Here I come. Wait, where should be bro at, bro? Bro, that's such a sus. Where should be bro at? Stealth mode on. Anything? No, bro, I cannot find her. There's a now. Maybe it's bro at here. No, oh my god, her chicken. So suspicious here. Podcast, I will go pee. Just wait for here. Just wait for me. And I'll just pee, guys. Hey, yo! Oh, yeah! Gosh, I still not have fun. Wow, this is suspicious. Hey, who the hell is that? Oh my god, there's a hand! Wait a minute. Oh, fuck you! Now it's that turn. It's round 3, and we're gonna about round 5. Okay, certain, bro. Let me hide it!
Nami, dali. So,
Wow, let's go it, bro.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's gonna make it too wild, guys. Not gonna lie, I'm a mosquito. Ready or not, here I come. 99 bottles of beer on the wall. 99 bottles of beer. Passing out, 99 bottles of beer. Ew! Okay. Okay, guys, just wait for me to find her. Okay. Here you are. Who is that face? Oh my god. Found you.
Bruh.
Bro, when I go in here, when I do this, I saw your foot.
What?
Yes, I saw your foot.
It's my turn, guys. It's round now 4. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I'm looking at you.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 7. Alright, guys. Here is it out. I'm coming for you, brother. I'm coming for you, brother. What could be here? Oh, maybe here. Oh, my 6, 7. Oh, my 6, 7. I cannot literally find her 6, 7. What about here? Oh, nothing here. What about here? No? What about here? No? Why should I find her, guys? Let me just rest. Oh my god, what the hell is this? What? Who's gonna put it? I'm gonna go just some rest, guys. Just some rest. But what was that sound? Hey, yo! What the hell is under the stairs? Hey, I'm just guarding it. Oh my god, it's so strong. Oh my goodness! Look, let's watch you first, guys. Let's see who's the monster here.
Ah!
Bro, why did you shout? You're okay. Guys, come here, bro.
I'm coming.
Now it's the last round of hide and seek.
One me.
Oh my god, go away.
I know that my hiding spot is so ugly.
Okay.
Okay. I haven't count, so I'm going to see him if she's here. Not gonna be here. Oh. I know that space before. Guys. He can see my hand. But not this. Okay. Oh, the first thing I need to know is outside. Outside is not here. The outside is not here. Okay. This outside is normally not going to happen in here outside. There's nothing here. Who's clapping? Or you got to be kidding me? Oh, that thing. Rah! Oh, I can really see your foot. Like right now.
Alright, guys. That's all it.
Ow.
Are you okay, bro?
Yes, I'm okay.
This is for RL Gamer for today. Okay, bye.